Speak with power. Clear mind, clear message. Clear communication begins long before you open your mouth. It starts in your mind with what you're thinking. Not only what you're thinking, but what you want to speak about. A clear mind produces clear words. A cluttered mind produces confusion, rambling, and noise. And in today's world, noise is just everywhere. It's everywhere we look. When your thoughts are scattered by fear, frustration, anger, or self-doubt, your message begins to become heavy. People struggle to follow you. They lose the point and even lose your attention and lose their ability to try to understand what you're saying. Why? Because they become distracted with what you're not saying by your mannerisms and by your being unclear. But when your mind is disciplined, when your thoughts are organized, and when your purpose is strong, your words carry weight. They carry meaning. This is one of the core principles of the rebuild process. If you want to rebuild your life, you must rebuild how you think and, of course, how you speak. Clear communication is not about saying more. It's about saying what matters. Some people talk to impress. Some talk to vent. Some people talk to fill silence. But leaders, people who are rebuilding, people who are growing, they speak to serve. They speak truth. They speak and give solutions. They share lessons that make life better, their lives and the lives of others, not heavier. They don't have to overteach to show value. They don't need big words to sound important. They don't need long speeches to make an impact. You just need three things. You need clarity, you need truth, and you need purpose. When your mind is clear, you speak with confidence. Your message becomes focused. People trust what you say. Your words help others to move forward. And here's a powerful part. When you help others with honesty, sometimes you have a verbal thing, useful solutions, and focused words, you are someone that's helpful. But it not only helps them, it helps you. It helps you. It helps you to help yourself. Because speaking truth reinforces discipline, giving guidance, strength for your own thoughts and your own growth. So, encouraging others deepens your own reliance and resilience. But you need to do it with honesty, do it with sincerity, and do it with full heart and full meaning, and of course the best intentions. You're not just talking, you are rebuilding out loud each and every time that you speak. Every clear message you deliver is proof of that. You are thinking better, you are growing stronger, you are becoming more independent and more intentional. An intentional person changes lives, including their own. So not just the lives around you, but your own life as you speak and start to gain more confidence with the things that you're saying. So before you speak, pause and ask, is my mind clear? Is my message helpful? Is my solution focused? Is this building someone up, not tearing someone down? Because your voice should not add confusion to the world. There's more than enough to go around. Your voice should begin to show direction. Your words should bring light, and your message should bring progress. Progress to you and, again, others around you. Clear mind, clear words, and clear path forward. That's how you rebuild yourself. That's how you focus on becoming better, one step at a time, one day at a time, and understand that it doesn't happen overnight, but it will happen. And that's how you help others to rebuild too. Speak with purpose, speak with truth, and speak to rebuild. Hope that this resonated. Take care.